been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Morning guys, welcome back. As you see, your girl is dressed up. I am going to another funeral. Yes, 2 funerals in one day. Two of them in one day today. So sorry, just getting my belongings. So like I said, it's been a busy one. We got 2 funerals today in one day, and we also have another one coming up. It didn't fit him? No. So that is what we're up to today. So I'm all dressed. Mr. Williams is wearing pink and white. The kids are gone to their grandmother, so it's just the adults that are going to the funeral today. But let me get me. So we are ready to rock and roll. Oh Lord, girl here is crazy. It's full of sun. Remember, say we got beach.
Still there beach.
Hey, you know, look so. A car full of sun.
Full of sun.
We got beach.
Yeah, maybe if you go get the car clean up, man, it's done, bud.
Yeah, man, you not get to clean up.
Me clean up it first cut it
Hey,
down.
Giselle.
I come from beach, not going to
Oh
eat.
gosh, so
Ready me put me
now.
up, ready me.
So this is my breakfast, guys. I didn't get no food from morning, so Mr. Williams get me food before I go to the funeral. I must want me go drop down. Right, Snuckums? Hello, why are you drinking my juice? Give me my juice.
Kiss bad woman.
Hey, let me shake you up.
You want the more shake up on that?
You know, taste that bad. They are chew gum. So I'm gonna go eat my food and then go where we need to go. So we just reached. We are late, but the funeral is going on. Well, we're just here. There is a lot of people here. So we're outside because all of us can't go in.
Whether at home or on the road. In no time, she would be there with a nice warm meal. She would always give me advice on how I could improve my business and be more efficient. She would always be recommending my services to her clients, associates, and friends. Betty was also a mother figure to my son, Janai, always looking out for him and disciplining him whenever necessary, in the same way she did her beloved sons, Joshua and Justin. Betty was not only kind to those in her immediate circle, she would always give back to her community. She would call me regularly to ask for my assistance in
genuine love and passion for the practice of God. I have never known Betty to be daunted by the challenges of any case. And indeed, there were many occasions on which she talked me out of declining to take on a case that I thought might be too much of a headache, giving her personal undertaking that she would personally undertake all the research required and navigate any bureaucratic hurdles that were involved. She threw herself wholeheartedly into the preparation of her cases and into her research. And after a while, I got resigned to the fact that I would receive emails from Betty, timestamp 1:30 a.m., 2:30 a.m., containing some lengthy and thorough exposition on some arcane points of the law. Betty was devoted to her clients, and she showed tremendous patience and care and understanding in her dealings with them. Now, there is no doubt that she was committed and she was hard-working as an advocate, but she had many other dimensions to herself. She loved adventure, she loved nature, and she loved competitive physical activities. And in those respects, she and I were kindred spirits. Not only did we take on and conquer the numerous road races in Montego Bay, Trelawney, the hills of Manchester, and Liverpool, but we also embarked on the arduous but thoroughly fulfilling forest trips in the bushes of Bow Hill in St. Anne, in the forest of Bury in Manchester, and in the appropriately named Backlands in Cambridge.
Somebody on my cousin funeral, cousin wife funeral, so pay my respect. So one leave go for Alec mother now. Okay. No,
Just before my senior council comes, we will have the video presentation.
Alright.
This.
My mark up and hide your bumper.
Yeah, boy.
Good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, holy.
Mm-hmm.
Holy, you can know, stay, stay. Look, come on, you grow on some whole.
Yeah, man. That's
family.
Yeah. So, I'll make a run, guys. I'll let mother funeral now, and it's like an hour and a little bit drive. So I'll leave out now. Brian, go up touch the road now. Nah, left all life for you. What is
The funeral is over and we're currently on our way to the next one. Gotta go up and probably change, and then we're heading to the next funeral. We just went and got the kids, so it's a very busy day today. A very busy day. So we will catch you. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when we reach up and we're heading to the next funeral. We didn't even get to go to the gravesite for this one because since you have two funerals in one day, it's just we only could go to the church reception part, and then we're already running late for the other funeral already, so we're heading to that one now. Alright, so we've made up and I switched my outfit because your girl can't wear what I was wearing before, so I definitely just had to change out of what I'm in, and we're heading to the next funeral now. Oh Lord, what a day it is, what a day. So the other funeral. My cross through the
When you get old, Melissa, you cannot come down so brisk as you used to do. Judy. Good morning, girl.
Yeah, come straight first before you start. No, come here, back person go round. Back person go round.
Right, yes, all right.
Exactly.
Go jump out. Everybody run. Including you. They that have done evil to the resurrection of damnation. Let not your hearts be troubled. Ye believe in God, believe also in him. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that there I am, there you may be also. You can start there. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. Man that is born of a woman are but a few days full of trouble and full of trouble. My God. So teach us to number our days so that we may apply our hearts unto it. Lord, thou hast been our dwelling place in all generations. Before the mountain,
So, right, this grave right here is Mario's mother's grave.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.